G'day everyone, just a quick video to show you some items that I have salvaged out of 3 printers. 2 were just home-based printers and one was a little bit larger, like a 3-in-1 printer scanner that probably came out of an office. But just to show you, there's all the polished steel rods out of the 3, screws, washers, motors, these drive belts. These are virtually indestructible. They're fantastic. Like, I'm into steam engines and running accessories, and these are just brilliant. They've got a little tiny tooth on the other side. These plastic feet, never have enough of them. They're always handy. I keep collecting these. I always think, oh, one day I'll have a job for these, but I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I keep collecting metal and plastic gears. But the main thing that I'm after when I'm going through printers are the springs. I'm always needing different springs, different sizes, different strengths for different things. And there you go, guys. They're the springs out of just 3 printers. I tell you what, when you need a spring and you go to your drawer and you pull it out and you've got hundreds and hundreds to look through and you find just that right spring, it's always a really happy day. So there you go, salvaged items from 3 printers. Thanks for watching. Bye now.